Colleagues who lead with Sunshine Yellow bring their enthusiasm, they take action, and they are brilliant at collaboration. Those are the three things that they tend to really enjoy in their jobs. And if they have time to attend to those areas in a day, that's when they drive home at the end of the day. And it was like, that was a great day at work. So what they bring to the team is a wonderful enthusiasm. They're very positive. They are glass half full. They do struggle to see the issues and challenges with a problem. They are persuasive and inspiring connectors. They are so well networked around the organization and around external contacts that they know how to connect people in order to help those people get the best from each other. They love doing their thinking out loud and sharing what they love, and their passion often spills out. They also really enjoy connecting people to their aspirations as well and get very excited about that. They are lively. They bring a wonderful energy to the team. These are the people when we jump on Zoom or Teams meeting, they do the small talk at the beginning when the rest of us are sitting there going, I don't know what to say. These are the people when they go to a party, they'll meet 20 fascinating people because they'll just connect with people around the party. The rest of us speak to one person in the kitchen. They tend to start their relationship with a very high trust and with a huge belief in people. And I guess their other watch out is they can sometimes struggle with negative feedback. So, if that's something that they can build some awareness around and address, that can be a really powerful development area from there. So our Sunshine Yellows, it's that enthusiasm and the energy and the can-do and the motivation that they bring to the team that is so powerful and so useful for the rest of us.